If you want to use Gemini on Redmi A7 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to activate Gemini. The first one is to simply press and hold the power button. This is the power button shortcut that usually allows us to activate Gemini. And once you do so, you will see that the microphone is immediately activated, but you can tap on it in order to turn it off. And then you can switch to a prompt where you can just type a text instead of saying it out loud. You also have access to this live mode where we can have like a proper conversation with Gemini. We can reactivate microphone if you change your mind and if you want to use the microphone again. We can use this plus button in order to attach some files. We also have this icon with sliders where we can create an image. There's also the screen share option with the live mode, which can also be quite helpful in case you need guidance to find something on your phone, for example, or if you need an explanation of something that you have on the screen currently. Besides that, you can also just simply open the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. So just look for a Gemini app, you can tap on it in order to start using it, and there we go. Here, the rest is pretty much the same. The only difference, I guess, or only differences that we have in here are the fact that we have a couple of more options in here in these two sliders menu. There is also the option to choose which version of Gemini you want to use, but the rest is pretty much the same. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can use a widget. So you can add a widget onto the home screen and you can quickly activate the Gemini by using that widget. So, for example, we can press and hold our finger on an empty space on the home screen in order to go into this editing mode. At the bottom, we're gonna choose widgets. And then in here, once it loads up the list of widgets, there we go. You can try to use the Google Gemini widget over here. And if it doesn't appear over here for some reason, you can go to Android widgets instead. And then you can try to find Gemini widget in here. So then we can press and hold our finger and we can just drop it anywhere we want it to be located. And we can tap on done. We can also resize the widget quite easily, so you can set up the size. And of course, if the widget is bigger, you might be able to see even more options. You can use these options that we have available on this widget, so you can immediately toggle the video, you can start screen sharing immediately, or you can use the live option straight away. Or you can just tap on Ask Gemini in order to just use it in the standard way. There is also a little trick for those who use gestures for navigation. If you do use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, just like that. And this also activates Gemini the same way that you use with the power button. And last but not least, you can also activate the voice activation, so we can enable Hey Google to be able to quickly activate the Gemini. To do so, we're gonna reopen the Gemini, tap on your Google account in the upper right corner, then you want to scroll down a little bit and go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can find Talk to Gemini hands-free, which we can easily enable in here. And if you turn it on for the first time on your Google account, you will have to set it up by saying a couple of sentences out loud that you will see on the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.